Still and Know with Adam. On this channel, I will discuss several interesting topics that you will probably need to know about in the future. Such things are history, health, wealth, politics, wellness, but also certain things that you're going to need to know, like how to grow your own food, permaculture, horticulture, and agriculture. You'll need to know a lot about gardening in the future and where are we going to get our resources. And you'll also need to know some things like hidden knowledge to help connect us to the past. Things that people don't like to talk about in everyday society. Things like ancient aliens, UFOs, magic, alchemy, law of attraction, transmutation, and more. So stick around and just remember to be still and know, because these things are within you. You just have to open them up and unlock them. And remember, no matter what comes your way, it's going to be a great day. For now, take care.